So fellas, I know this isn't much and not very exciting for you guys, but for me, I'm really excited. Got some nice walnut here. My first walnut is this one. It's got a bow in it here, or curve, I don't know what you call that, but anyway, it's not straight, but so what. It's a lot of sapwood. It is what it is. Not gonna say no to it. This one I just put anchor seal on. Those are some rounds from limbs off of the same tree. These are the same. These are one tree. That is another one. Yeah, pretty excited. First time having any walnut at my mill. Wow, you think it dried too fast? Got a bunch of stuff to keep milling. But yeah. Anyway.